Hi guys, it's been a while, but I wanted to share this package with you. This is the first time I order from them, but I will leave the website in the description box, in the comment section. Description box, comment section, whatever section I know is below this video. And I'm going to go ahead and open this box. And what I wanted so bad was that I seen a video. I think her name is Natalie. I know her first name is Natalie. Her last name is kind of hard to pronounce, but I know it's Coma something. Let me pull it up on my phone real quick. Carmona. Natalie Carmona. I love her videos. I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about. I will put her... one of her channels that she recommended this polish, which it was a red color and it was just to die for. She do very pretty sets. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out the box. And the name of the company is LaPalm Spa Products, and most of it gel 2 polishes, I think, and LaPalm products. And the ones that I got here in this box, which is a lovely box. Wow. Okay, I like this box they put the colors in. So this is the LaPalm Spa Products gel colors that I've mentioned, and there are gel and the regular polish, and there are a dual set, which you get the regular polish and the gel polish, which I am so glad whoever invented this idea. I appreciate it so much, because it's so hard to match a regular polish and a gel polish sometimes. So I love that they come out with these little dual packs now. And like I said, I went to this website. I never shopped from them before, and I was like, wow. I got 6 colors, and they're very reasonable. You get 2 polishes for $5, so think of it like $2.50 a piece, which is not a bad deal at all. And normally when I buy dual sets like that, they're between $8 and $20. So, you know, hey, I think this is a deal. Now, these polishes say there's a vitamin gel polish plus an air gel extended wear polish. And this is how it looks. Very pretty packaging. Let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can see. Like I said, I got 6 colors. And I'm going to start with this one right here. Probably zoomed in too much, huh, guys? And this is a pretty green. It's palm trees. She also used this color on her one of her videos, and I don't have a color like this that matches this type of green, which is a pretty green. I will demo these colors on another video. I think it's very lovely. I love the packaging as well. Let's see if you need a base coat with these. Doesn't say, but anyway, I'm going to share these colors with y'all. And this one right here, like I said, was called Palm Trees. Very pretty color. The bottle, it said the strength of a gel, the removal of a polish. That's the regular polish, and this is how the gel polish look. Let's see if you need a base coat with this. Okay, it says peel here, but it's gonna take off my, let's see, going to take off my writing, so let's see the instructions in there. My label, let's find a way to put that back. Okay, instructions. Apply a thin layer of LaPalm gel polish base coat and cure under a 36 watt LED light for 30 seconds. Apply a thin layer of your shade and cure for 36 seconds. Okay, so this is a 3-step polish, which I think it said a 3-step polish on the back of the box, which I looked over, and it says gel polish 3 steps. So I'm sure you can use any base or top. It depends on, you can probably see which base coat or top coat that works well with this, because sometimes a base coat will pull away from a polish that is not compatible. So most of the time what I'll do, I'll just wipe the aspersion layer off, the tacky layer off, before I apply the shade of color on the base coat. You can even buff it a little bit if you want to, but normally when I just wipe the dispersion layer off, it pretty much works with any base coat or top coat. Such a pretty color, very pretty color. Okay, I'm gonna go with the second one, and then I'm gonna leave that last one, what I was just so determined to get. I got this red gel one. It's called Will Ruby My Friend. Will Ruby My Friend. It's question mark. That's pretty. It's a very pretty glitter polish. Red. Okay, the next one is a neutral color. And this one called Feather Kiss. Thought this was a very pretty neutral mauve looking color. Very pretty. I'm going to demo these. Feather Kiss. I got another one that's almost close to that, but it's a little darker. And it's called Mystic Mauve. Very pretty. Mystic Mauve. Thought this was pretty. She also featured this one too in one of her videos. Y'all gonna have to go check her out. She has some nice sets that she does. Honey Bear. I'm sure a lot of y'all probably subscribe to her. I love her channel. Honey Bear. And the last one, what I really went to go get, if I was just to get one, I would get this red. And I see she used this red a whole lot in her videos. And when I say I see why, because that color red is so pretty on her sets. And I can't wait to try it. And it is called Dragon Fire. Very pretty set. Very pretty red. I mean, very pretty red. Now I have a red to match the nails and that, and I'm telling you, I'm sure this color is going to be very popular. And it's called Dragon Fire. Very pretty. Alright guys, that's all my 6 colors. I will put another video out to demo this. I just want to do it kind of quick here and show y'all that this site has an awesome deal on 2 polishes for $5. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, y'all. And the person that referred me to this link was Natalie Kimona. Y'all go check her channel out. She's pretty talented. Thank y'all for watching. If you like a lot of bling, the channel is for you. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a smiley day. Bye.